Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of my latest purchase. So as you can see in my thumbnail, it's the YSL Monogram small envelope wallet. It comes in this very sturdy box. I haven't opened this one yet. So I ordered this directly from the YSL website and I received this a week ago straight from Italy, just 3 days after I placed the order. And I figured it's time to do the unboxing already so that I can start using it. So here it is. The black box is coming out, which is the signature box of YSL. So it comes in a very nice box with a very luxurious feel to it. It has a simple black ribbon. Now let's see what else is in the box. So there's this black envelope with the brand name on it. This one right here is the returns and refund policy of the company, a thank you card, and the shipping label in case you want to return the item. Now let's open the box. The wallet comes in this dust bag in color black. The cloth is kind of thick and has a bit of a rough texture to it. Then here's another envelope, a very small one this time. A very small card with the name of the fashion house, the care card, another copy of the care card, the authenticity card, and another card that tells the model of the wallet, what it's made of, which is leather, and that its hardware is brass. So let's put this one aside. And now it's time to see the wallet. So it's the YSL Monogram small envelope wallet in Grain de Poudre embossed leather in Rouge Legion color. So beautiful. So this is 100% calfskin leather, which is known for being very durable. It's a compact wallet. The dimensions of this wallet are 13.5 centimeters, 9.5 centimeters, and 3 centimeters. It has a snap button closure. It has one central compartment and two card slots on each side. So that's a total of 4 card slots. It also has an outside slit pocket on the back. Of course, the interlaced YSL metal initials in gold-toned hardware. Very nice. It also has the print Saint Laurent Paris in gold inside here, and also on the button the brand name is engraved. So the leather is actually very firm and hard. It feels a bit plasticky actually. That's why, according to most fashion vloggers, this wallet is less prone to wear and tear compared to some other LV wallets. So I have here with me some cards that I usually bring with me whenever I go out, and also some bills. Let's see how much of this can fit into the wallet. So this is in random order, not of importance. First, my Taylor Fidelity card. My Permis Desidere or Residence Permit. My ING card. And then my Sephora Fidelity card. Then I have here some bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 bills in total. They fit just perfect on the central compartment. Then I have 5 more cards here that I can just slip into the back compartment. And the wallet is still in great shape, doesn't look very full or bulky whatsoever. Now let's try to fit it into one of my most used bags recently. My Aspinall of London small Lottie bag in quilted caviar. Yeah, so as you can see, the wallet fits so well into the bag. It's a very compact wallet, which is exactly the size I've been looking for. So that's it for my unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I have more unboxing videos coming soon, so if you want to be notified every time I post new videos, kindly hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Till next time. Bye!